Hey guys, it's Blazing Ender, and it finally hit a foot. It's actually closer to a foot and a half or something. And we're going to push it a little bit. And, well, it went out, but oh well. You can tell that it was a foot. I know. But it was a foot, as you just saw a second ago. And we're going to... Oh, it's fine. It'll probably come back tonight. But, yeah, you really can't see much out here when you start. You can see the snow. Yeah, it's like a organ. Yeah. Well, I'm going to put that in. It's around 11 right here. But right here, it is 12.
It's almost close to 13.
Yeah. Insane, right?
Yeah, well, what
right here, it's even higher. Right here, it's even a little higher.
Try right here.
This is even snow. This is around even. That's 11. Yeah, places are 11 and 12. And
let's try right here. Perfect spot.
Alright. Well, yeah, I could try.
Oh! I've got my foot and foul.
Alright. That's about a foot right there. 13 inches. That's 13? Yeah, flat on it. Yeah, it's closer to, well, yeah, it's over 13. So 1 foot. That's insane.
Yeah, that has never ever been out like it.
This is 12. That's 12.
I think it's earlier.
That right there is slanted up. I can tell that one. This here's also 11. That right there is a slanted, but I might as well try. It doesn't count though. So half is all 13. We see right here's a foot. Right here, 11 some inches. And finally, alright, we have a foot right there. Well, we got enough proof. So the most average was 1 foot, which that's insane, isn't it? Alright, I'll try right there. Before that, I see it. Alright. That's a 1 footer. Almost. Yeah. It's like 11 inches. So I'm just gonna call it a 1 foot. Heck yeah. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. And make sure to like and subscribe and bye. I don't even know why I've done that. Alright.